Minestrone soup in the Instant Pot is such an easy recipe. We're going to need 1 zucchini cut into triangles, 2 celery chopped, 2 carrots chopped, a half of an onion diced, a 12-ounce bag of frozen green beans, 1 can of tomato sauce or 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, whichever one you have, along with 2 14.5-ounce cans of diced tomatoes. Now these are seasoned, these are going to add a little extra flavor to our soup. 1 can of navy beans, 1 can of kidney beans, 2 teaspoons of Italian seasoning, 2 teaspoons of minced garlic, 32 ounces of vegetable broth, which is 4 cups. You're going to need a half of a pound of pasta. Now use half of this box, not a whole pound. It's going to be a lot of noodles for this recipe, so only a half a pound. We're also going to need 4 cups of water and a 1/4 cup of chopped parsley. First, we're going to set our Instant Pot to saute, and we want this on normal heat. In your Instant Pot, lay down a little bit of cooking oil and we're going to let that come to temperature. Once it begins to heat up, go ahead and add in your garlic. Now, this cooks really fast. I cooked this for only about 15 seconds. After the 15 seconds, now go ahead and add in your carrots, onion, and celery. And we're going to let that cook for about 4 to 5 minutes, just until the onion and celery are nice and tender. Season with a little bit of salt and pepper and give them a stir. Once your onions and celery are translucent, go ahead and turn off your Instant Pot. Now the rest is easy. All we have to do is just add in the remainder of our ingredients, everything that I just showed you in the beginning, along with the 1/4 cup of chopped parsley and the 4 cups of water. And that's pretty much it. All we're going to be adding else to this is just salt and pepper. Now, I went with 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of black pepper because you can correct that if you need more seasoning at the end. If you over season, then kind of hurts your recipe. So keep that in mind. Season just a little bit now, and then once it's done, we're going to be checked for seasoning. Now just get all of your ingredients in there, and we're going to put the lid on there, and we're good to go. Make sure you have your seal closed because we are going to be pressure cooking this. And this doesn't really take a whole lot of time. And we're going to be only pressure cooking this for 2 minutes. Now it does take about 20 minutes for it to actually heat up and pressurize. But 2 minutes is all you need. And once it's done, we're going to be just straight releasing that pressure out of the Instant Pot. Once you release that valve, all the smells of this recipe is just phenomenal. Open it up, check to see if you need a little bit more seasoning, and if you feel it does, go ahead and add salt and pepper to your preference. When I go to Olive Garden, this is the soup I get. Cheers, y'all. That's close to the real deal right there. Using those flavored tomatoes really adds some depth of flavor in there. But the combination of everything is just wonderful. What do you think, baby?
I love it.
You love it, huh? Me too. If you're new to my channel, consider hitting the subscribe button. That way you can see future videos just like this. As always, I'll leave the link in the video description and in the comment section so that way you can go to my website, cookingwithkirby.com, to get the full printable recipe. I have these recipes. They're really good. You should try them out. Now y'all be beautiful and take care. Be sure to share this recipe with your friends and family and let them know that all my recipes are easy to make.